Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to learn about a very important concept, that is conversion between kilometer per hour to meter per second and from meter per second to kilometer per hour. Why this is important? Because we really do not get into the details, we will only memorize the thing. So let us now look into the concept that how and why we are converting and with what factor we will multiply and we can convert them. So first let us take kilometer per hour. Now what this actually means is these are the units of the speed. So when you are solving numericals, you have to find out speed in kilometer per hour and in meter per second. What this suggests is this many kilometer that object has covered in this many hours. This many meters have been covered in that particular object in this much of second. So that much distance have been covered in that particular time. So when we are converting kilometer to meter per second, we know that when the unit is big and we are going to small, we always have to multiply, because we know that 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. And now what about hour? 1 hour equals to 3600 seconds. Why 3600 seconds? Because 60 second equals to 1 minute and 60 minutes equals to 1 hour. So when we are talking about 1 hour, it is 60 minute, and this minute we are converting it into second. So again we have to multiply with 60. So 60 into 60. So that is how we are getting 3600 seconds. So these are the conversion factor from kilometer to meter and hour to second. Now when we are converting from kilometer to hour to meter per second, we are going from big unit to small unit. So we have to multiply this. So again we have to multiply that 1000 divided by 3600. So when we will simplify this 0, this 0 and this 0 and this 0 will go. Now here 2 into 5 divided by 18 into 2. So this 2 and this 2 will go. So in simplified manner we got 5 into 18. So when you are converting from kilometer to hour to meter per second, only you have to multiply 5 into 18. When you are converting from kilometer to hour to meter per second, you have to multiply with 5 by 18. How 5 by 18? Actually you have to multiply this, that 1000. Why 1000? Kilometer to meter is 1000 and hour to second is 3600. And then we have simplified this. So we got here 5 by 18. So when we are converting from kilometer to hour to meter per second, actually we are multiplying with 5 by 18. So if you do not want this bigger numbers, only you can multiply with 5 by 18. Now let us talk about the reverse thing, that when you are converting from meter per second to kilometer per hour. So now we are checking when we have meter per second and we are converting it into kilometer per hour. Then simply what we have to do, meter we are converting into kilometer. So we have to divide that. So we have to divide here. Why? Because we are going from small numbers to small unit to big units. So that's why we have to divide here. So here we are dividing with 1 by 1000, because we are going from meter to kilometer, and then second to hour. So again we have to divide with this 3600. So it is 1 divided by 3600. So as per the mathematical law, this denominator will come in multiplication when we are taking reciprocal of this. So here it is 3600 divided by 1. So this will go in multiplication when we will reverse this. So here 3600 has gone to numerator and 1 has come here. Now again we got here 3600 divided by 1000 and again 0 0 0 0 will go. So we got here 36 divided by 10. So here 18 2s are 36 and 5 2s are 10. So 18 by 5. So when we are converting from meter per second to kilometer per hour, we have to multiply with 18 by 5. So then we will get this conversion, that meter per second to kilometer per hour, that is 18 by 5. So this is how you have to remember that when kilometer per hour to meter per second conversion is there, we have to multiply with 5 by 18, and when meter per second to kilometer per hour is there, we have to multiply with 18 by 5.